you guys, this fucking palette is fire. I'm not even about to play with it anymore. This palette is so fire. Like,
hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So first and foremost, if you are new to my channel, if you are seeing this video and you're liking your girl, you're feeling this video, once you get through it, of course, make sure you guys come on through, show your girl some love. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified when I do upload new videos, you guys. For today's video, I am actually going to be opening up a Boxy Charm box, you guys. I decided to do the subscription for Boxy Charm, you guys, because first and foremost, I don't always have time to get out to get makeup right then and there. So this comes in the mail once a month. It's full of beauty products, you guys. Anywhere from your skincare, hair, makeup, eyeshadows, concealers, foundations, whatever you want, it's gonna be in this box, you guys. So with that being said, the subscription itself is about, I think it's about $25. I will post it up for you guys. Actually, you guys, I'm actually going to tag the website up along this way so you guys can actually see it. About $25, you guys. And they actually have different packages. So the bigger the package, the more it's gonna be. Contingent on, you know, how much beauty products you wanna have, you know, each month. So, you guys, so you get about 6 full-size products in this bag, in this box, and then you get 1 like free sample. So you get 7 items in here, 6 of them are full size. I'm gonna open up this box, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Alright, let me first say this, excuse the way that I look today, you guys, I'm so tired. I have never really gotten on camera with my bare face, like, what is going on here? But in order to test these products out and give you guys my honest review of how I feel about it, I just had to be barefaced. So, you guys, when I opened up the box, it came with an actual card, like that. And so inside the card, you guys, it actually tells you what all is in the box and the retail price for each item. So I'm gonna go down the list and show you each product and tell you what the value of the product is. So we have the first one is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eye Shadow Palette, which is this one right here, you guys. This one retails for 35 bucks. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm loving these colors, you know. I had to sneak, of course, and peek to see what it looked like. But these colors are so vibrant. Like anything, I mean, you could rock them now. From fall, for summer, for spring. I mean, I love it. For winter, oh my gosh, so cute. I'm loving the colors. The next one is the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. So that would have to be this right here, you guys. It's more for a skin type of more hydration, like hydrated. Like, so if your skin is dry, this would be perfect for you. To put on your face before you add on a primer or any type of concealer or your foundation. This would help your skin from being dry. This one retails for $90. That is so expensive. I don't think I would pay that for this because I don't have dry skin. But I mean, hey, that's amazing. That's great. That's great. Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. That's this one right here, you guys. The color that I have it is in Date Night, which is this pretty luscious red. Oh my gosh, I love red, especially during this season time right now. Red is, I love that red pop of color. It's my thing. Okay, you guys, I also have a Heru Wonder Matte Berry Antioxidant Mask Set. Okay, you guys. These retail for about 9 bucks. Then we have a Milk Makeup Holographic Stick. That one is this right here. It's more like a highlighter, you guys. I love highlighters. Like, I just love to, you know, highlight. So that one is $28. Oh my god, it's so expensive. Okay, you guys. I also got the Tarte High Performance Natural. This is an eyeshadow palette, you guys, but it doesn't have it on here. It doesn't have, like, the price or anything. I would try to tag the price up here, you guys, or if not, I'll put it in the description box for this particular palette because it doesn't have that one on here. So, but yeah, you guys, that's all that I got inside the palette. So I'm actually going to put the face mask on first, and then we're going to do like a nice little play with the eyeshadow palette, the Celeste Thunder eyeshadow palette. And then the lipstick, and then the highlighter, and we gonna be good to go. So also, before I put this face mask on, my face is clean. I did wipe my face down and wash it before anything. I also got this concealer that came in. It is by Pretty Vulgar. It's Undercover Lightweight Concealer. I've never tried it before, but I'm super excited to try it. It doesn't, again, have the price on it, so I don't know. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up the face mask. I love face masks, you guys. They are my favorite. I do a face mask at least 2 to 3 times a week, especially if that smells refreshing. Especially if I am doing makeup tutorials a lot, and I have, you know, it's just, I have to cleanse my face and do a nice face mask, because face masks get your whole, you know, life, your whole skin together. So I'm gonna, I don't even know, like, which way to put it. Is it this way? It looks like, is this? Maybe it's this way. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna look like a monster. And it says to leave this on, you guys, for about 15 to 20 minutes. So, oh, it's cold. It's so cold, you guys. But it's supposed to help with your skin and help brighten your skin and help with the pigmentation in the skin. I know I need help with pigmentation in my skin. So I'm back, and the face mask is all the way off. What is all these little particles, like, floating everywhere? The face mask is all the way off, you guys. My face feels so soft. Like, it is so soft right now. That's pretty good. I actually like it. It didn't leave my face too, like, oily or greasy either, you guys. Like, it's very soft. Very soft. And alright, you guys, I've already done my brows as well, because I'm going to be adding on that palette, and I just wanted to go ahead and get that over and out of the way. I'm going to move in, you guys, next with the Kypher. This is an antioxidant dew. It's for more of hydration. I'm hearing noises outside. More of hydration, you guys. I'm actually going to squirt all of this on my face. I don't know if I want to put a lot, you guys, because I just feel like my skin is already oily. We'll do a little bit. Ooh, ooh. This smells really natural. It has like rosemary, maybe a little lemon, a little bit of something in there. Looks good. It smells good. It smells really refreshing, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna rub this into my skin. My skin may be a little bit dry right now, you guys, because I just did a face mask, and so sometimes after I do it, if I don't put anything on it, it gets dry. So we'll go ahead and add this onto the face just to kind of give it a little hydration. That smells really good. And it's not oily, you guys. It's not like an oily feel. It dries very quickly. It dries very quickly. So it may be good for me since I have a little bit of oily skin. It's not oily. It's not like a liquidy, oily type of thing. It dries very fast, you guys. And it feels good on my face. It's not too, like, it's not oily. It's really good. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna move into the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. And before I put this on my eyes, you guys, I am gonna prime my eyes. I believe in priming the eyeballs before you apply any eyeshadow, and as well as foundation. Oh, you guys, so I just went ahead and primed my my eyelids. I just put concealer. I just don't know what's going on right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this palette, you guys. I can't find my eyeshadow primer or anything, you guys, so today is not my day. All right, you guys, so I'm actually going to be using probably about 3 to 4 different colors. I'm gonna go in, well, let me name the colors for you guys. So we have Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, we have Zero Gravity, we have Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and we have Mystic Ice. So you guys, I'm gonna go in with Lunar Eclipse, Storm Dust, and then the Fireball. Starting off with my crease, kind of going up and then going back down in my crease, you guys, with the lighter color than the darker, and then just to give it a little bit more shimmer this. I am gonna do a nice cut crease, you guys, with the Lucid Dream. That eye, you guys, I'm actually gonna go on with the Mystic Ice. So these are so pretty, you guys. I'm going in with Lunar Eclipse right now, you guys. I'm really hoping that it is as pigmented as I saw on the Instagram. And whoa, this is very pigmented, you guys. Very. Like, do you just see that? Oh my gosh, this ring light, you guys. Ready? The color just lays on so nicely. There is no fallout so far, you guys. No fallout, none. Alright, you guys, I'm loving it so far. This orange is so bold. I'm gonna go in, you guys, now with Storm Dust, which is more like a copper. I'm gonna take that from my crease, you guys. I'm gonna make that from like the end, working my way in. Just doing little pats first to give me a nice smoky look. This color is so pigmented. This color, you guys, is so pigmented. Alright, you guys, this fucking palette is fire. I'm not even about to play with it anymore. This palette is so fire. Like, look at these colors. Like, I'm sorry. This palette is fire. It's bomb. Alright, you guys, so next I'm gonna go in with the Milk Stardust. This is like a highlighter, you guys. So hopefully that gives me life too on the cheeks. Because I have like this pink vibe going on, and yeah, I'm gonna need to get some life. Ooh, it's almost like deodorant. You guys know how you put deodorant on and you go like that? That's exactly what it's like, you guys. I don't know how to do this part, like with this, like this. I don't know if I should just kind of go here. Ooh, ooh. It has like a lemony scent to it. Y'all, I'm just playing around today. This is fire. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, this. Do you guys see that? Ooh, 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 ooh. Now that your girl looking kind of spicy. Y'all got the eyes going. Yes, we got that highlighter. You guys, that highlighter is fire. When I do a real makeup look, you guys, and put that on the face, that is going to be good. Yes, all right. Let's go with the dose of colors, the lipstick, you guys. It's not gonna match, you know, my whole look that I have going on, but just the fact to add a pop of color on top of the color, I'm going to be looking like a unicorn. I'm loving it. Alright, you guys, so that is going to conclude for today's box. I look like a clown. Like, none of these colors match at all whatsoever, you guys. But I definitely wanted to get my hands into everything, touch it. Again, it's not a full face makeup tutorial.
It was just for me to put some of these colors on to see how the products actually work for my skin. I definitely loved every product that was in this box. Legitimately, no lie. Everything was amazing. The palette is amazing, you guys. If you guys have not checked out that palette, Celeste Thunder, check it out, you guys. That's an amazing palette. There is no fallout. The colors are very, very pigmented, as you see on my eyes. I'm like a clown. The lip color, the matte lip, I love a great matte. And I love it. That concludes today's video. And you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go and subscribe right now. Today is right there at the bottom. It's only one click away. And that bell so you're notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.